miscommunication, for example, on compensation of insurance services. I had members of the public say that if, for example, I lose my leg and I get compensated, then I'm going to pay 16% of that compensation. I had members of the public and even members of this National Assembly say that if an insurable loss occurs and, for example, I lose my car through insurance and I get insurance compensation, then I'm going to pay VAT on that insurance compensation. But Honorable Speaker, I'd like to refer you to page 240 of the bill, clause 30, section 9, and I read verbatim, that where a bona fide owner of a taxable supply who has deducted input tax under subsection 1 is compensated for the loss, that compensation that includes VAT shall be declared and the VAT thereupon remitted to the Commissioner. Or B, if the compensation does not include VAT, the compensation shall be declared and subjected to VAT and the tax remitted to the Commissioner. Keywords here, Honorable Speaker, is taxable supplies. And I want to ask members of this House and members of the public, is insurance compensation for your leg a taxable supply? Is a compensation of your car when you get involved in an accident a taxable supply? Is when the goods of your home get burned because of a fire, is that a taxable supply? And perhaps to get a little technical here, Honorable Speaker, what this clause purports to mean, where businesses actually hold goods that are vatable, then they would have paid input tax on those particular items. So if they get compensated plus the VAT that they ask for a refund, and then they go ahead and charge output VAT on those particular services, on those particular goods, Mr. Speaker, then it would have been deemed they received that compensation for VAT twice. So this double VAT refund is what this clause, Honorable Speaker, was trying to cure, and that is what is contained on the bill, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I would like to draw your attention to our tax system in Kenya. Our tax revenue as a share of our GDP has remained consistently at approximately 15%. This stagnation is a cause of concern to the Committee of Finance and National Planning, and this is some of the issues that this particular bill, Honorable Speaker, wanted to address. In comparison, Honorable Speaker, with several African countries, Botswana's tax revenue per GDP is at 24%.